Hello, thank you for stopping by. We're going to explore two scenarios today. The first, the time has come and you want to buy a home. When you ask to see the homes, the agent asks you for a pre-approval letter first. What is a pre-approval letter, and does a pre-approval guarantee the home loan? Second scenario, the time has come and you want to sell your home. Your agent suggests that you get a pre-approval letter first. Wait, what? Are you crazy? Why would I want to do that? Frankly, you're not even sure what a pre-approval letter is. Here are two situations involving a home buyer and a home seller. Both are asked to get a pre-approval letter by their respective agents to protect their client's interest. Do you know why the agents are asking for a pre-approval letter from their clients? No? Okay, great. Stay tuned because we'll get into it right after this. Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Bob Weibrecht, Missouri licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty Gundaker in St. Louis, Missouri since 2002. Let's get to the reason why you stopped by. What is a pre-approval letter, and does it guarantee a home loan? First, the home buyer. After looking at homes online, you find a few you want to see. You contact a buyer's agent to request showings. The agent asks for a pre-approval letter prior to showing you homes. Why is that? In the current seller's market, properly priced homes are selling very quickly. And if you must get a pre-approval letter after finding your dream home, you've lost out already. By having a pre-approval letter prior to viewing homes, it shows that you have spoken with a lender, you know the amount you're qualified for, you are ready to write an acceptable offer. Seller's agents usually will not recommend the acceptance of a purchase offer without a pre-approval letter. Because when one is received without a pre-approval letter, the seller side doesn't know if the buyer can get pre-approved, so why take the chance without a pre-approval letter? Sending a pre-approval letter with the purchase offer is evidence that the buyer's assets have been verified by a lender, and it is usually valid for up to 90 days. Furthermore, with a pre-approval letter, your lender can show what your estimated monthly payments would be. For example, let's say you want a loan payment under $2,000 a month. With the lender and a pre-approval letter, it's easy to equate that to an offer price where you're paying that amount monthly. Here's a pro tip. Just because you've been pre-approved, say, for $400,000, it does not mean that you have to spend that much on a home. You can spend less and it may be a good idea. Why is that? Due to the seller's market, at the time of this recording, buyers are bidding up home prices. It may be best to reserve part of that pre-approved amount in case you need to bid up. Talk with your lender and buyer's agent about this. Now for the sellers. Why should the seller get a pre-approval letter prior to listing their home? The reason is a simple one: to find out about their creditworthiness. As a seller, it would be horrible to accept an offer on your home, apply for a home loan, only to learn that you were denied due to poor credit, high debt to income ratio, too many credit card payments, or another reason. This is a very bad place to be. You could possibly be homeless at closing. Get a pre-approval letter even if you plan to rent. Property managers may use your credit report to judge your creditworthiness to lease a home or an apartment. If the report is bad, your application may be denied, or you may be asked to pay a higher monthly rent or a larger security deposit. Ouch! Look for a great home lender when you're getting a pre-approval letter. Consult with at least two to compare rates, fees, and loan products. How to find a great home lender is to ask your coworkers, your family, your friends, or someone who has recently obtained a home loan. Don't forget to ask your agent, who's probably one of the best sources to get referrals. So now you have applied for a pre-approval letter, sent an offer, and it was accepted. Does the pre-approval letter guarantee a loan? The short answer is no. Do you know there are mistakes to avoid that could cost you your new home? Here are some common ones. 1. Do not apply for new credit. New credit could muddle your debt-to-income ratio, causing cancellation of the loan. Wait until after you close on the home to get new credit. 2. Do not co-sign for a loan for anyone. This too may mess with your debt-to-income ratio, and you guessed it, probably cause a loan cancellation. 3. Do not stop paying your bills on time. No or late payments may appear on your credit report, which your lender reviews throughout the loan underwriting process. 4. Do not stop tracking deposits. Lenders are required to examine any unusual deposits, especially large ones. So, if Great Aunt Mabel gives you $20,000, be sure to document it. 5. Do not pay off debts. This one may seem counterintuitive. It appears to help by lowering the debt-to-income ratio. It is considered bad because it reduces the available cash reserves for closing. And here's a bonus, number 6. Do not neglect your lender's request. The lender may ask for additional documentation. Respond to them promptly. If you do not, you risk loan delays or cancellation. I'm sure you can see why I recommend that you obtain a pre-approval letter before buying or selling a home, if for nothing more than just to check your credit worthiness. I hope you found this video useful and informative. For more information on buying and selling real estate, feel free to explore my playlist. If you liked this video, and I know you did, leave me a comment to tell me about your adventures in getting a pre-approval letter. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified about new videos that I post every Wednesday about the residential real estate market. And as always, make it a great day.